Okay, let's start. Come to question number 21. See question number 21. Pro forma cost sheet of a company provides the following particulars. Very easy sum. We have already done. Okay, I want you to solve because it's very easy. Okay. Raw material cost is given. Labor cost is given. Okay. And overheads cost is given. How much it is in total? Check. Check the total whether it is matching. 212.5. So it's matching, correct? Okay. Next is total cost, profit is given, selling price is given, right? Okay. So after that, the company keeps raw material in stock. The company keeps raw material in stock on an average for 1 month. Easy. Okay. 1 month stock is there. Work in progress on an average of 1 week. Now sometimes students ask me, sir, how to calculate? See, 1 month or 1/12 we can take. Now here they have said that the work in progress is for 1 week. So 1/52 you will have to take. So remember, while making such calculations, keep everything constant. Keep everything constant means what? 1 month should be taken as 4/52. Why? Because in a year 52 weeks you have to consider. Correct? 52 complete weeks are there. So you will consider complete week as 52. Okay, next. And finished goods on an average for 2 weeks. See, everything is given in 2 weeks. So assumption will be what? 1 year contains 52 weeks. Credit allowed by customer allowed by supplier is 3 weeks, and company allows 4 weeks credit to its debtor. So everything is simple till here. I'm not explaining. Lag in payment of wages is 1 week, and lag in payment of overheads expenses 2 weeks. Everything is in weeks, so convert into week. The company sells 1/5 of the output against cash and maintains cash in hand at bank together at 37,500. Okay, so 1/5 of the sale is cash. Prepare a statement showing working capital needed to finance activity 1,30,000 units of production. Assume the production is carried on evenly throughout the year. Means production is evenly, sale is evenly. Wages and overheads accrue similarly. Means wages also, how you're paying evenly. Means it's averaged out. Okay. So production is overall, means it is spread across the year. Work in progress is 80% complete in all respect. If you remember, I said whenever it is specifically mentioned 80% in all respect, you should take 80% in all, means overheads. Otherwise, how much we take? 100%. 50-50. 100 then 50-50. So here it is said in all respect take 80%. So we'll take 80%. Okay. So let's start. Please complete this. I want you to solve this. Please take the question and complete. Start completing. Yes, for 1 month you should write 4/52. And you should write that 1 year is equals to 52 weeks. Now some people have a confusion here that whether to be followed total approach or cash cost approach. Which approach you will follow? Listen, whenever the wording is working capital required to be finance over, if you remember now, that was the wording. At that time I said cash cost. Okay, here it is, generally it is said that prepare a statement showing estimate of working capital to finance an activity. Question is not clear. Working capital finance and activity is general English. Now why we are making statement of working capital? To get the finance. If you remember I said that. So either you can follow cash cost also, or you can follow total approach also. Is it clear, guys? Did they say that that sales are in credit, all sales are in credit? No, cash sales are there, correct? Any other approach, any other way by which we can make out? They didn't say the previous year production is the same as the current year's production. Previous year production and current year's production is same. That is not said. Okay, any approach you can follow. Question is not clear. If you want, you can follow both the approaches. Yes, any question? Someone was saying. Okay. Current asset, under that stock, under that raw material. Raw material is how much? 1,30,000 is the units into rate is how much? 100 multiplied by period is 1 month is 4 weeks. So I will take 4 by 52. Okay, somewhere month, somewhere don't take. Okay, see it is, if you are taking 1 by 12 now, it means you are assuming that the year has a 360 days. Please understand, 1 by 12 when you take. Okay, because 30 upon 360 if you are taking, it comes to what? 1 by 12. Please understand. Is it clear what I have said? Everything, all the periods should be in same. So everything is in week except the raw material. So convert that into weeks. In a year, in a month, how many weeks are there? 4 weeks. So 1 by 52. 4 by 52. Yes, how much is the calculation value? 10 lakhs. WIP. Was WIP given? Yeah, work in progress, 1 week. So 1,30,000, shortcut, 1,30,000 into 80% in all respect. So what I will do? 100 plus, this time I can take 80% directly into 80%. I'll take total 37.5 plus 75 into 80% into 1 by 52. Please understand. 1,30,000 in bracket 100 plus 37.5 plus 75 into 80%. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Okay, when it was 100% 50-50, I used to take raw material 100%, I used to take other 50-50%, correct? Here everything is 80%. So 100 plus 37.5 plus 75, 212.5 into 80% directly, because raw material also 80%. How much is the figure? 4,25,000. 4,25,000. Finished goods 1,30,000 into cost 212.5 into 2 by 52. Okay, 2 by 52. 10 lakh 62,500. Great. 10 lakh 62,500. हाँ, debtors 1,30,000. Total approach, I'm following total approach, 250 into how much? 4 by 52. Great. 4 by 52 into how much? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Why? Credit. This is credit sales. Cash sales will not be accounted. Listen carefully what I am saying, please. Here it will be credit sales will be accounted for. 1,30,000 is total units sold. Out of that, 4 by 5 is my credit sale. Okay, so credit sale will be accounted. I hope it is clear why I am taking 4 by 5. Correct? Whatever you sell in credit, that is debtors, na? Okay. So answer 20 lakhs. Okay. Yes. If you follow if you follow cash cost, then here it will be how much? 212.50. Correct now, if you are following cash cost. Question is not clear. Any other alternative we are going to write. Any other alternative assumption is also okay. Okay. No problem. Next is what? Cash and bank balance. Cash and bank. Is it given? 37,500. Now listen carefully. What a student does. Means who has a less knowledge now. What he does. See, I am clarifying what the student does. What the mistake the student does. He takes that cash sales, cash sales, 1/5. He adds in this cash bank. Are you understanding? 1/4 is credit, na? So he calculates 1/5 and then he adds it in cash balance. Is it correct? Is it correct to add? You understood what I said? 1,30,000 into 250 into 1 by 5. How much is that? 1,30,000 into 2,50,000 into 250 into 1 by 5. It comes to 65 lakhs. That's cash sales. He adds to cash bank. Is it correct? My question. It's annual sales. It's annual sales. You will not keep cash, all the annual sales cash in your cash box. It is given. That is the mistake what people do. Those who overthink the sums, na, they might do this mistake. So please understand. It will not get added. Okay. Next. Done, na? I think asset is done. Total current asset is 45,25,000. Okay. B, current liability. In that creditors, 1,30,000 multiplied by how much? 3 by 52, na? 100 into 3 by 52. 100 into 3 by 52. 3 by 52. 7,50,000. 7,50,000. Next. Outstanding wages. Outstanding wages. 1,30,000 multiplied by raw material 37.50 into 1 by 52. 93,750. Outstanding. Overheads is also outstanding, right? Overheads. 1,30,000 multiplied by 75 into 2 by 52. 3,75,000, right? Total 3,75,000. How much? 12,18,750. This is total current liability. Very easy sum. B. Okay. Net working capital. How much? A minus B. 33,06,250. Done. Easy. There was nothing new. Okay. Note. In a year, 52 weeks is assumed. 52 complete weeks is assumed. Complete week. How many days are left after 52? How many days are left? If you consider 52 weeks, 1 day is left. In leap year, 2 days. In leap year, 2 days. Correct. So 52 weeks in a year. 52 complete weeks. Sorry, what I wrote is 52 complete weeks are assumed. 52 complete weeks are assumed. First. Second, cash cost approach can also be followed. Cash cost approach can also be followed. Cash cost approach can also be followed. Now, when you write these things in the exam, the paper checker also thinks that he knows the alternative solution also. So he also becomes alert that yeah, that same sum can be solved by another approach. So the figures can be different. Please understand. Please copy those who have not done. 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 Copied now, everyone. Is there anything remaining? Are you still copying? Yes. Come to see one question. Question number 11, page number 155, I think. See, there is a question 11, page number 155. See, the costs are given, right? Cost structure. Then periods are given. The same. Raw material 4 weeks, work in progress 1 week, okay, finished goods in stock average of 2 weeks. Same question they asked in RTP, May 2020. Okay, is it clear? And I have given you the this thing solution also. Solution also. Okay. Now in this, see they have followed what? They have followed 425, 425. Means what they have followed? Which approach? Status 425 means cost. 425 is cost. So they are following which approach? Cash cost. Correct now? I think the question is not clear. Means they have not said that you should follow. Yes, they have not said that cash cost should be followed. Question is not clear. Still they are following what? Cash cost. Alternatively, you can follow total approach also. Okay, fine. Okay. So this is homework for you. This is homework. Okay, solve this question number 11, page number 52. Come to question number 22 now. Back. Question number 22. Market very important. Market important. Uh, 146. Page number is 146. Question number 22, page number 146. Yes. Yes. See, I am reading the question. Okay. The following annual figure relate to MNP Limited. Okay. Sales at a 3 months credit. What does this mean? 3 months credit. Where you will use this? 3 months credit. Where you will use this? Debtors, debtors, debtors. Material consumed. Suppliers extend 1.5 month credit. Material consumed is given. Supplier extend 1.5 month credit. Whose period? Creditors. Creditors. Wages paid. Don't take it for raw material. Please understand. Wages paid 1 month in arrear. That is 1 month in outstanding wages. Manufacturing expense. Please understand. Now, what is the problem with the question? See, same question they repeat, and same question, the same mistake is there. The year it is given, it is annual figures. The following annual figures, and now what they are saying, please understand. Manufacturing outstanding at the end of the year means this much is outstanding, and cash expense are paid 1 month in arrear, means you keep outstanding for how many months? 1 month. Please understand this. Manufacturing expenses outstanding at the end of the year to 2 lakhs. Cash expense paid at the means manufacturing expense you pay 1 month after. Okay, so this is not annual figure. This is not annual figure. I am asking you, what is the annual figure? 24 lakhs. Manufacture expense outstanding is how much? 2 lakhs. How much months outstanding you keep? 1 month. That means this is the figure of 1 month. This is the figure of 1 month. So that means 24 lakhs per annum. 24 lakhs per annum. Please understand. Is it clear, guys? Everybody, I hope you. Manufacturing expense is outstanding at the end of the year. Means it is outstanding. How much is outstanding? 2 lakhs. How much we keep outstanding? 1 month figure. 1 month, for 1 month we keep outstanding. That means this 2 lakh is for 1 month. So for annum, how much it is? 24 lakhs. Cross multiplication. For 1 month, 2 lakhs. For 12 months, how much? 24 lakhs. Is it clear now? Total admin expense for the year is 6 lakhs. Total admin expense for the year is 6 lakhs. This is for the year. This is for the year. That means it's a annual expense. Okay. And it is paid 1 month in arrear. Means 1 month outstanding it is. Sales promotion expense for the year paid quarterly in advance. Is this liability or an asset? Paid quarterly in advance. Prepaid asset. This is for the year. For the year. So we will have to take quarter figure. We will have to calculate 3 by 12. Right now. The company sells till year, no problem. Should I proceed? The company sell its product on gross profit at 25%, assuming depreciation as a part of cost of production. Depreciation is a part of cost of production. It keeps 2 months stock of finished goods. See, finished goods period is given, and 1 month stock of raw material is given. See, raw material period is also given. It keeps a cash balance of 2,50,000. Okay. Assume 5% safety margin. Work out the working capital requirement on cash cost basis. Ignore WIP. So what is given? Company sells the product at 25% gross profit. Depreciation of the machine is a part of cost of production. Okay, trading account. It's a part of trading account. Cost of production. Okay, 5% safety margin. First time we are seeing at say 5% safety margin. And you have to solve the sum using what? Cash cost basis. So I will make a trading account first. Why? Because I don't know. See, they have said cash cost approach and they have not given us the depreciation amount. They have not given us the depreciation amount. So listen carefully how I will proceed. Question number is what? 22. Page number was 146. 146. Okay. So listen. Trading account. Listen carefully. Trading and P&L. First listen, then you can copy. Trading and P&L I am making for the account. For the account. P&L account. Trading and P&L account. Particulars. Particulars. Rupees. Particulars. Rupees. Okay. Now tell me, listen carefully. In the question, first line is what? First line is what? Sales. So where you will write the sales? Credit side, buy sales. How much? 90 lakhs. Correct? 90 lakhs. I have written. Next is what? Material consumed. Two raw material consumed. When I say raw material consumed, RMC, raw material consumed, is the opening stock, closing stock, everything considered or not? It's considered. Those who are uncomfortable for them, listen carefully. We will do it in one of the sums. But listen carefully. How you get raw material consumed? Can anybody tell me how you get raw material consumed? Opening raw material plus purchase of raw material minus closing raw material upon raw material consumed. Okay. Foundation students for you. Okay. Opening plus purchase. Opening, this much raw material I have. Purchased means it get added. Minus closing, this much you leave. Why? Because it is leftover. 10,000 I had opening, 1 lakh I purchased. That means total I have 1 lakh 10,000. Out of that, 10,000 is closing stock remaining. So how much I consumed? 1 lakh. Simple. Okay. Opening plus purchase minus closing. So raw material consumed is how much? 22 lakh. 50,000 is given. Correct. Next. Wages paid 18 lakhs. So I will write two wages. Two wages. How much? 18 lakhs. फिर उसके बाद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्सपेंस टू मन्नू एक्सपेंस हाउ मच डोंट राइट 2 lakhs 2 lakhs multiplied by 12 will be 24 lakhs correct total admin expense it will come in P&L listen carefully later you can copy listen carefully please help me out here I will write sales is how much 90 lakhs means total is 90 lakhs total is 90 lakhs gross profit was given how much was the gross profit 25% gross profit is 25% 25% of 90 lakhs how much 2 GP 20 90 lakhs into 25% 22 lakh 50,000 correct 22 lakh 50,000 okay calculate the difference to depreciation how much 3 lakhs okay I will write 3 lakhs done next PNL I'm continuing later you can copy listen by GP comes this side by GP gross profit how much 22 lakh 50,000 admin expense is how much to admin expense how much 6 lakhs 6 lakhs to selling sales promotion sales expense is how much 12 lakhs all costs are covered calculate the difference 22 lakh 50,000 22 lakh 50,000 minus 18 lakhs how much 4 lakh 50,000 is my net profit is it clear understood okay please copy Hello, done. Are you still copying? Copy. Let's proceed. Listen. Now listen carefully. I will make statement of working capital. Heading should be given by you. I'm not writing the heading. Particulars, working, and rupees. It's easy now. A is current asset. Under that stock. Under that raw material and finished goods. Listen. Units is this raw material was how much? 22,50,000. Units is not there. Directly they have given us the figure. Raw material consumed multiplied by raw material consumed multiply by 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Okay, 1 month. So how much it is? 1,87,500. Great. Finished goods. Listen carefully. Finished goods. Finished goods be valued at cost of production. This is the cost of production. Add this. These are the cost of production. Add this. 22 lakh 50, 1 lakh 18 lakhs plus 24 lakhs. How much it is? 22 lakh 50,000 plus 18 lakhs plus 24 lakhs. 64 lakh 50,000. I will write here. 64 lakh 50,000 into period is how much? 2 by 12. 10 lakh 75,000. Okay, next. After finished goods, debtors. After finished goods, debtors. Debtors will be valued at what? Cash cost. So debtors will be valued at what? No, not cost of production. Debtors will be valued at total cost. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. This means 22 lakh 50,000, 18 lakhs, 24 lakhs. You know the total. Plus admin and sales expense should also be included. Those were not the part of cost of production. Correct. Fact. Finished goods is valued at cost of production. But to sell the goods, you incur extra cost, na? Admin, sales expense. So you should consider that. Add 18 lakhs to 64 lakh 50. Add 18 lakhs to 64 lakh 50. How much it is? 82 lakh 50,000. 82 lakh 50,000 multiplied by, what is the period? 3 by 12. 3 by 12. How much? 20 lakh 62,500. 20 lakh 62,500. 20 lakh 62,500. Cash. Cash was how much? 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 given. Then what is there? Prepaid sales expense. Prepaid sales promotion. Prepaid sales promotion. Prepaid sales promotion. 12 lakhs multiplied by 3 by 12. 1 lakh, 3 lakh. 1 into 3 is 3 lakh. Total. How much total? 55 lakh to 500. No, 50. How can it be 52? 1 lakh 87 500 plus 38 lakh 75,000. 38 lakh 75,000. Use your tools correctly. Should be comfortable with your calculator. 22 lakh 50,000 raw material. Yeah, you took extra zero because zero does not have any value. No problem. Can take. 1.5 divided by 12. How much? 1.5 divided by 12. 22 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 81 250. 2 lakh 81 250. Outstanding wages. Wages is how much? 18 lakhs. 18 lakhs multiplied by 1 by 12. 1 lakh 50,000. 18 divided by 12 is 1 lakh 50,000. Outstanding Manu expense. 24 lakhs into 1 by 12, that is 2 lakhs, which was already given in the question. 2 lakhs. Anything else is outstanding? Admin. Outstanding admin expense. How much? 6 lakhs multiplied by 1 by 12. 6 by 1 by 0.5. 50,000. 50,000. Take the total. Total current liability B. Yes, very good question. How 24 lakhs? Outstanding manufacturing expense. 2 lakhs was given. 2 lakhs multiplied by 2 lakhs was for 1 month. 2 lakhs outstanding is for 1 month. Correct? Yes. Total 6 lakh 81,250. Net working capital. Net working capital A minus B. 38 lakh 75,000 minus 6 lakh 81,250. 31 lakh 93,750. Wow, what a figure. Come on, copy. Yes, add safety margin is there. Add safety margin is there. I will add safety margin. Add safety margin. Listen, safety margin how much? 5%. Assume 5% safety margin. So safety margin 5% on what? 5% of net working capital. Come on, tell me how much? 33 lakhs. How it can be 33 lakhs? I want 5% figure. 5% is how much? 1,59,688. Correct? Total. Working capital required. Working capital required. How much? 438. 438. Thank you. Come on, please complete this. Yes. Please copy. Please copy first. Yeah, please say. She is asking that if material purchased is given, then instead of raw material consumed, will we use material purchased for creditors? Yes, correct. We will do it in one of the sums. Okay, we'll complete it. One more thing, in debtors, someone asked me why debtors is valued at 82 lakh 50. Debtors will consider cash cost, no? All costs should be considered. Yes or no? If I want to sell something, okay, the cost is incurred. Finished goods is what? Cost of finished goods is valued at cost of production. How much the cost is incurred to manufacture that thing, correct? And to sell, extra costs are incurred. That is, I have to set up an office where the people will come, customers will come. Okay, sales, promotion, all these are selling expenses. So I should add that for debtors, correct? I hope it is clear now. Is it clear? Come on, copy. Actually, na, copied or you are still copying? Done, na? Okay, listen. See, actually, no need to do this. Actually, no need to do trading and PNL. Please understand. No need to do trading and PNL. Why I will tell you. Write it. Right. Finished goods. In that you should take raw material consumed. The figure is available 22 lakh 50,000. And wages you should take in finished goods, that is 18 lakhs. So no need to do all these things. One new expense is how much? 24 lakhs. So total is how much? 64 lakh 50,000. Correct? Now this is for finished goods. Debtors also same. 22 lakh 50,000, 18 lakhs, 24 lakhs. Okay. Plus admin expense. Admin expense was how much? 6 lakhs. Sales promotion is how much? Sales promotion 12 lakhs. So you add this, you will get how much? 82 lakh. How much? 82 lakh 50,000. 50,000. Alternative way, listen. Sales was how much? Sales. Alternative way to get this. Sales was 90 lakhs. Depreciation was how much? 3 lakhs. So minus 3 lakhs. I should neglect profit, that is minus 4 lakh 50,000. Net profit or net profit. Don't ignore, don't take gross profit also. Net profit is arrived after considering gross profit. Don't take gross profit as well as net profit. Please understand. Answer is how much? 82 lakh 50,000. Alternatively, yes or no? Correct. Have you understood? So no need to do trading PNL. This was the first sum. So to make you understand, I have did that. Otherwise, there is no use. Okay. But in debtors, all costs should be considered. When you can sell, why we consider, those who are having doubt, why we will consider admin and sales expense? Because without incurring this, I can't sell the product. As easy as that. These are not incurred to produce. Finished goods means finished goods. Means the cost of production should be considered. To sell, extra costs are there. When the debtors will come into the picture, when I sell the goods, to sell this cost, admin and sales promotion have to be incurred. So we are considering that. That is the logic. Okay, please copy this. Done. Please copy, please. Okay. Listen. Mark question number 23 as homework. Simple sum. Question number 23. Nothing is there. Question number 23 as homework. Same what we did. Very easy question. Come to question number 24. Come to question number 24. NS and company have applied for working capital limit from Messrs Full of Funds Bank. So they are applying for working capital. Okay. So they will have to make a statement of working capital. Who have agreed to sanction the same by retaining the margin as under. Now please understand what they are saying. Who have agreed to sanction the same by retaining the margin. When you go to the bank, they ask for margin. This is not that safety margin. Why we had safety margin? Provision for contingency. Means the cost can go up. The raw material cost can go up. The labor can go up. Please understand, very important part. This is not margin. By mistake now, those who will add this, all this will make a blunder. This is the margin. Means this much money you will not get. Raw material 20%, WIP 30%, finished goods 25%, debtors 10%. Whatever the values you calculate, take the percentage. Raw material whatever is the figure, take 20%. WIP whatever is the figure, take 30%. Finished goods whatever is the figure, take 25%. Debtors whatever is the figure, take 10%. Take that total. That much fund you should have. That much margin you should have. Then only the remaining amount the bank will sanction. Is it clear? You understood the difference between two margins? See what is written. Who have agreed to sanction the same by retaining the margin as under. So that is safety margin. Safety margin means what? You add. Why you add? Whatever the working capital you have considered, those are budgeted figures. Raw material cost can go up. Contingency can happen. There can be a contingent liability in future. So for the safest, to be safe, you add the safety margin. But here the margin what they are talking about is whatever the working capital you will calculate. Okay, on that some margin, some percentage you should have. Like we go for home loan, na 100% is not given by the bank. 10%, 20% you should have in your pocket. The other things are because it shows your ability to repay, na. Correct. And obviously the bank, why it will take 100% risk? It will transfer that risk on you. Okay. Annual sales at 1 month credit means debtors credit is 1 month. Cost of production is 12 lakhs. Raw material 15 days. Purchased. See, raw material purchased. Important. What she said, this will get covered. In the last question, what she was asking, that will get covered. Raw material purchased 15 days. 7 lakh 5,000. This 15 days will be used for what? Creditors or raw material? Creditors. From creditors we purchase. So it should be valued at purchased. When the information is not given, purchase is equals to raw material, purchase and consumed is same, means opening closing is 0. We assume that purchased is equals to consumed. Therefore, till this point what we were assuming, purchased is equals to consumed. There was no information, but no need to write that assumption. Okay, it is understood. Here the purchase is specifically given, so we'll use this figure for the creditors. Monthly cash expenditure is 25,000. Again, this is monthly. Anticipated raw material. See, opening and closing raw material is given. So what you can calculate? You have opening raw material, closing raw material purchased. Raw material consumed can be calculated. Inventory norms are raw material 2 months. See, period is given for raw material. WIP 15 days. Finished goods 1 month. Firm has received an advance of rupees 15,000 from customer. What is this? Liability or prepaid? Liability. We have received the advance, so it's a liability. Understand? From the above projection for the forthcoming year, you are required to work out the following: working capital required by the firm, cash cost approach, clearly it is given. The working capital required by the firm, cash cost approach, working capital limits likely to be sanctioned by the banker, means after removing that margin, how much the bank will sanction, that you have to calculate. Okay, I think we have understood the question. Okay, let's proceed. First, I will make a working note of what raw material consumed. I need to calculate raw material consumed first. Question number is what? 24. Page number is what? 147. Okay. Calculation of working note number 1. Calculation of raw material consumed. Calculation of raw material consumed. Opening raw material plus raw material purchased minus closing raw material. What you will get is raw material consumed. So opening raw material is how much? How much it is given? 1,40,000. Purchase. Raw material purchase is 7,05,000. Closing is 1,25,000 minus 1,25,000. Please give me the answer. 7,20,000. 7,20,000. Please copy this. Please copy this. Okay. Listen, when they are saying this now, they have not spoken about anywhere, they have not spoken about depreciation. Okay. They have not spoken about depreciation in the question. Fine. So let us, but cost of production is given. Cost of production is how much? 12 lakhs. Cost of production is given. So let us check whether depreciation is there or not. So I am making a T format again. I am making a T format again. Trading account. Trading account. Annual sales is 14,40,000. So buy sales 14,40,000. Buy sales 14,40,000. Cost of production is given. Raw material purchased I will not use. I will directly write raw material consumed. So to raw material consumed directly I am writing. It is 7,20,000. I hope you are understanding. Opening plus purchase and closing is considered. Okay, when I write raw material consumed. Next is monthly cash expenditure. So they have not said any expenditure. So I'll directly write labor and overheads. Labor and overheads. Monthly it is 25,000. So annually it is multiplied by 12. 25,000 into 12. 2 lakh 50, 3 lakhs. 2 lakh 50 plus 50,000, 3 lakhs. Okay, done. Okay, listen. I can calculate gross profit. To gross profit. How I can calculate gross profit? Sales is 14 lakh 40,000. Cost of production is how much? 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. So my gross profit is how much? 2 lakh 40,000. This is my gross profit, 2 lakh 40,000. So let me balance this, whether it is getting balanced. 14 lakh 40,000. 14 lakh 40,000 minus 7 lakh 20 minus 3 lakh minus 2 lakh 40,000. How much? Is there any difference? 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh 80,000 is what? 2 depreciation. There is depreciation 1 lakh 80,000. 2 depreciation is 1 lakh 80,000. Difference. Therefore, they said us that use cash cost approach. Okay. Please copy. I want you to complete this sum. Come on, complete ahead. Complete this. Is it done? Is it done? Is it done? $281 $875 net working capital. Okay, and after margin? Okay, just check. Those who have done, just check. I'm not making the ruling. Current asset, in that raw material, correct, stock raw material. Raw material is valued at 7,20,000. Correct, raw material consumed into how many months? 2 by 12. Answer is how much? 1,20,000. Then next is WIP. WIP is 7,20,000 plus 3 lakh into 50%. 3 lakh into 50% into period 15 by 360. So I'm assuming in a year there is 360 days. Okay, how much? 36,250. Finished goods. Finished goods. 720 plus 3 lakh means 10 lakh 20,000. 720 lakh plus 3 lakh is 1020 into period 1 by 12. Answer 85,000. Okay. Debtors. Debtors will be at cash cost approach, na? So 10 lakh 20 same. 10 lakh 20,000. 10 lakh 20,000 into 1 by 12. Same 85. Okay. Was cash given? No. No. So total current asset is how much? A. 260 to 250. How much? 362. 3,60,250. Okay. Current liability, creditors. Creditors will be valued at what? Raw material purchased. Creditors will be valued at raw material purchased. How much is raw material purchased? 7,25,000. 7,05,000. 7,05,000 into period 15 by 360. Answer 29,375. Okay. After creditors, anything else? Advance from customer. Advance is how much? 15,000 from customer on sales order. Okay. Total current liability B 44,325. A minus B 375. 375. Okay, 375. Okay, next A minus B net working capital is how much? 2,81,875 less margin minus margin. Listen, how I will calculate margin? Most of the people, you might not have understood margin. I will make a working note. How much was my raw material? How much was my raw material? Raw material, how much I got in the above table? Check. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So out of 1,20,000, I should have a margin of how much? What is the percentage? 20%. So 20% is how much? 24,000. Next is WIP. WIP is how much? 36,250. So 36,250 multiplied by 30% they have given. So 30%. Answer. How much? 10,875. Next, finished goods. Finished goods is how much? 85,000. 85,000 multiplied by 25% they are saying. Answer 20, 21,250. 21,250. Yes, debtors. Debtors is also 85,000 into how much percentage? 10%. So 8,500 total. Total of this. Margin required. I will write the heading margin required. 64,625. So I will margin this much money you should have. 64,625 minus. Okay. So working capital, what they have used the word working capital limits likely to be sanctioned, likely to be sanctioned, to be sanctioned by bank, likely to be sanctioned by bank, minus how much you are getting? 2 lakh, 250, 250. This is likely to be sanctioned. Working capital is 2 lakh 81. Out of that 64,000 you should have. This is the likely chances that bank will sanction. Please copy this. Copy this part. I hope above part is clear, na? This one. This all is clear. Correct? Those who have not copied, please copy. Yes. Ah. In debtors, he is saying cost of production is not included. Is it so? No, but where you are saying? You are talking about this sum? Which sum you are talking about? This sum to I have taken na cost. Where I have not taken? I have taken the cost. 10 lakh 20,000 is what? Cost 7 lakh 20 plus labor and overheads. And there is 12 lakh what is given? 12 lakh is cost of production. 12 lakh is cost of production. In that depreciation is there. We are following cash cost approach. So we should ignore that depreciation. Therefore, I made that calculation. Therefore, I made this PNL, trading account. Understood? Because in that 12 lakh, that 1 lakh 80 is included depreciation. So to find that, I made this working.